In a surprising move, Honda successfully launched and landed a prototype reusable rocket on June 17th, aiming for suborbital spaceflight by the year 2029. The 20.6-foot rocket reached 889 feet during testing in northern Japan, demonstrating key reusability technologies. While still in early research phases, Honda has expanded its space efforts through US based initiatives and partnerships, including International Space Station tech trials and satellite refueling systems, Gizmodo has reported. The milestone marks a significant step in Japan's broader goal to double its space industry by the year 2030.